Hey, buddy! If you're just starting out on chest training, hold on tight because what's coming your way is a heck of a journey. In this video, I'm going to give you those golden tips for beginners. So, stick with me and don't blink, because mastering these techniques will be the key to the results you're craving. Let's go! Let's start by highlighting something that is often underestimated: posture during training. Keeping your back straight, feet firmly planted on the ground, and shoulders back isn't just about aesthetics in the gym. This position is crucial for preventing injuries and ensuring that the work is properly directed to the chest. Recent studies have shown that correct posture during training can significantly increase the effectiveness of exercises by activating target muscles more efficiently and consequently reducing the risk of injuries. So, don't underestimate the importance of posture. It will not only help you achieve better results but also avoid unnecessary pain and injuries. Now it's time to move on to exercises and diversify your workout. In addition to the classic flat bench press, which is one of the best exercises for developing the chest, we can't overlook the fly. This movement is simply essential for effectively working the inner chest. Using dumbbells or cables, you'll perform the movement by crossing your arms at chest height, keeping your elbows slightly bent. It's important to focus on muscle contraction throughout the movement to ensure maximum chest benefits. Adding the fly to your chest workout will provide more comprehensive muscle stimulation, contributing to symmetrical and balanced development. So don't leave this exercise out of your training routine and feel the difference in results. Flat bench press is considered the flagship of chest workouts, and rightly so. This classic exercise is performed lying on a bench, holding the bar at shoulder width and lowering it to the chest, then pushing it back up firmly. Maintaining correct form during execution is crucial to ensure that the chest is the primary muscle worked. Scientific studies have proven the effectiveness of flat bench press in chest development, as it recruits muscles intensely and promotes muscle growth over time. Therefore, including flat bench press in your training routine is an excellent way to achieve the desired results for a stronger and more defined chest. But the variety of exercises doesn't stop there, buddy. Incline bench press is another great asset for strengthening the chest. With the bench inclined at around 45 degrees, the grip remains similar to that of flat bench press, but now the focus shifts to the upper chest. Studies and research have shown that inclined bench press is highly effective in stimulating the development of the upper chest region, contributing to more balanced and aesthetically pleasing growth. Adding incline bench press to your training routine is an excellent strategy to ensure a strong and symmetrical chest, working different areas of the muscle more comprehensively. And we can't forget to mention the importance of breathing during training. Controlling your breathing is essential to maintain rhythm and prevent dizziness. Research has shown that proper breathing during exercises helps control blood pressure, ensuring adequate oxygen supply to the muscles in activity. So, always remember to breathe consciously and coordinate it with your movements to achieve the best results, and avoid discomfort during training. Between sets, it's crucial to take some time to relax and recharge. Studies have pointed out that rest between sets is essential for muscles to recover and prepare adequately for the next set of exercises. So, don't underestimate this step. Rest is as vital as the training itself, as it helps prevent excessive fatigue and maximizes the benefits of exercise. Give proper value to rest time between sets and make the most of every moment of your workout. Last but not least, let's address nutrition and rest. The body needs adequate nutrients and sufficient rest to grow and strengthen. Therefore, it's essential to set aside unhealthy foods and invest in a diet rich in proteins, vegetables, and fruits. These foods provide essential nutrients for muscle building and repair, promoting more effective and lasting growth. Additionally, we can't neglect sleep. Studies have highlighted the importance of sleep for muscle recovery and proper muscle growth. During sleep, the body releases essential hormones for muscle regeneration and protein synthesis, significantly contributing to improved physical performance and injury prevention. So, make sure to prioritize a healthy and quality diet, as well as ensure adequate and revitalizing sleep to maximize the results of your training and achieve your goals more effectively. Thanks for following along. Don't forget to check out the latest videos too. Share this video with your friends, like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next tips that will help you boost your training. Until next time,